Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the cursor exactly where the list should start, then activate bullets. Click the bulleted list icon or press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 and type your first item. Once done, press Enter to create the next bullet. That keeps formatting consistent. Make sure to avoid extra spaces before the text, because spacing controls indentation behavior. If you want a quick numbered conversion later, select the list and switch styles. This gets you immediate, clean bullets to build from. Now you refine structure. Indent subpoints with tab and outdent with Shift plus tab, so the hierarchy reads clearly. Once done, select the entire list to adjust line spacing, or use Format Align and Indent to control start position and hanging indents. Make sure to open Format Bullets and Numbering to change bullet styles, or create nested lists with distinct symbols. If you want consistent spacing across the document, apply a paragraph style after formatting. That preserves your bullets during copy and paste. Finish by converting to numbered lists or clearing formatting when the draft is stable, because that locks in presentation. Use the Paint Format tool to copy bullet styling across multiple paragraphs quickly. It saves manual tweaking. If bullets disappear unexpectedly, first check for stray tabs or invisible characters, then disable browser extensions that alter page behavior. Finally, reload the document or copy content into a new doc to isolate the issue. This usually restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.